So today's video, we're gonna be starting with the amplifier and then we're gonna go from there. So let's get on to it. Just a little bit about the actual amplifier itself. This is a 1300 watt output. It's a German-made amplifier, so super high quality, 3 times the output and with fantastic sound quality. It's going to enhance even your existing sound system. So I'm really excited to see what this sounds like with our existing speakers. So the Revenant amplifier produces 645 watts RMS and up to 1300 watts peak power output versus the 205 watts that come from the factory amplifier. So it should be quite a huge difference. The great thing about these Bavsound products is the fact that it's a complete plug-and-play solution for your BMW or Mini. With the Revenant amplifier, it's already preloaded with the proper equalizer curves, and you pretty much just need to plug it in and you're good to go. Alright, so just to get an idea of what the OEM sound system sounds like, I'm going to go ahead and play a song for you guys, and then we can compare later on after we install the new amplifier. So let's see how this sounds.
Young money millionaire, tougher than Nigerian hair. My criteria compared to your career.
All right, now we're going to test this out, see what kind of changes there are. We're going to go ahead and play the same song. Let's check it out and see what we got.
Your money.
Wow guys, the video footage does no justice, I promise you that. This sounds incredible. It really enhances the standard hi-fi system. The bass sounds more crisp, more precise, and I'm really excited to get the Ghost subwoofers and the Stage 1 upgrade, the speaker upgrade into the car.